Here we have this 1995 Bayliner 2855 showing off on the water. She's got an extended swim platform and she sits on a triple axle galvanized trailer. Just going to do a nice pirouette so we can check out all the sides of her. There's a nice clean portside shot. Notice we have the full camper canvas on there. We have the back off and it's open.
Again, one more time.
Come with me for a quick walk around tour on this 1995 Bayliner 2855 America's Cup. We see she's sitting on a triple axle galvanized trailer. Coming down at the bow, we see we've got our anchor and windlass right there. On the trailer, we have an electric Bulldog 4,000-pound lift to make it easy up and down. We also have a spare tire on the trailer and side guides. Down along the port side, we see we've got good bottom paint on her. No major marks on the vessel itself. Trailer is in excellent condition. Tires are recent. Surge brakes, side guides, new carpet on the bumps. We've got good trim tabs there. Underneath our drive, we have MerCruiser Bravo 2 with a large stainless steel prop, nice spin on it, nice and tight, outdrives good. Pulling back, we've got this great feature, a custom extended swim step, adds about 3 feet, and you can see how we use it. We've got it set up currently with a deck chair, 2-scoop bait tank, outboard motor mount, and a custom barbecue. We also have these custom dock stairs for easy access from the hard. Let's go aboard. This gives us an overview of just how much extra space we have. A full-size barbecue here. The only thing missing are the steaks. Circling around, we see we've got some rod holders. We also have some clamp-on rod holders. Let's go inside. We enter the cockpit through this door. Right here in the transom, we've got storage there. We've added a hot and cold shower. Then right there we have our tackle box, 4 drawers built in, slide out seat. Let's push that back. And then right here we have our battery switches. Engine access is easy. Just lift up this hatch. The owners have done some nice things here. For example, note we have a holding place for our boat pole. The upholstery is recent, not original, no marks, it's in top condition. We've got a cocktail table here which is removable. Here at the helm we see all of our gauges up above, depth sounder, hour meter. Lower level we have our windlass control, fuel flow gauge right there. That's great, we know how we're burning. Our Lowrance LCX38 high definition color Fishfinder chart plotter. Pulling back, we have our VHF radio and fire extinguisher below. We have a new Quicksilver shifter throttle. This vessel has a fully enclosed cockpit for year-round use. The Isinglass is in good condition, along with the bimini and aft curtain. Not visible currently is the full boat cover we have. Let's go inside. We enter the cabin through the smoky plexiglass door, down a few steps. Immediately to port, we see we have this area here for changing. There's a curtain that goes there. Storage cabinet, hanging locker, our power panels right here. Notice at the galley, we've got a dual burner stove, alcohol electric, and a microwave right there. Storage below. And here at the top shelf, we see we can keep more items there. Notice the Bayliner big slash windows to keep the cabin nice and bright. Up against this bulkhead, we've got our stereo and storage right there. Nice Bose speakers for our sound system. Moving forward, more cabinet storage right here. Flat screen Samsung TV, DVD player right there. We have a nice little seating area with our cabinets right here. Lots of storage on this boat. Bayliner uses every bit of space. Forward, we have our V-Berth, double wide, over 6 feet long, with a hatch above and more lights. As we circle to starboard, we see we have our booth dinette, which also converts into a sleeping area. Below here, we have more storage. Our refrigerator is nicely located right there down below. Moving aft, we have our head, partially lined fiberglass so it's easy to care for and clean. A marine toilet with macerator discharge. Pull-out RV style shower. Circling back, these owners have even labeled which switches are what. Circling aft, we see our double wide mid cabin, full beam, nice and spacious. This vessel is loaded with lots of upgrades, shows very well on a triple axle galvanized trailer, loaded with features. Viewer today, owner tomorrow at South Mountain Yachts. GoPro, stop recording.